We are now concluding a report trial with our last General Assembly here in Madrid. It was a wild ride in times. We had challenges which we mastered and experiences which I may say are pretty unique. As a consultant, I have worked with pharmaceutical companies, I've worked with academia and spin-offs, and it has always been an experience. But I've never worked with such a team. I've been doing drug repurposing for the past 15 years, but doing it in the context of such a team, this was something else, really. We came from pharmacology to bioinformatics, to business development, to patenting. I had the honor to be work package leader of. We produced 4 international patent applications, which is extraordinary for such a project of 5 years. And in the next few months, we are going to conclude 2 very important studies, which are testing triple combinations of known drugs, which have never been used in combination before, to treat a specific form of difficult to treat heart disease and stroke, both conditions which have very insufficient treatment options right now. I look forward to conclude this trial within the next months, and I'm very grateful to all our partners and of course also to the coordinator.